All right, how to remove lint off of Velcro. Either you get a fine black comb with real fine teeth, or like I'm using a pet brush for fleas, so you can find fleas. This also works on people too for lice. Real fine brush, and just gently rub it across the Velcro. Trying to get it in the camera there so you can see it. Just take your time, work with it. As you can see, it's coming up. There we go, get a good clear shot of it there. And it'll make your Velcro as good as new, like on my shoes here. Okay, as you can see, I'm working through it. Don't want to spend all day on this. So, like I said, good luck, God bless, works for me.